Roku rolls back 10.5 update after it breaks popular streaming apps. Brittany A. Roston, November 23, 2021, 4:48 p.m. Central Standard Time. The recently released Roku OS 10.5 update has been a small disaster for the company, triggering a slew of complaints across social media and on the Roku forum from users who are no longer able to stream their favorite shows. The company has been prompt in its response to the issue, but a solution isn't yet available. In its place, Roku is rolling back the 10.5 updates so its customers can continue using their devices. Ways to Samuel, Shutterstock. Roku users began posting about their respective streaming issues following the 10.5 update on Monday. Roku has issued multiple updates on the matter since, and though it says it is still investigating the problem, it is back with some additional details about what is going on. According to information the company shared on its forum, the 10.5 update bug is impacting some older Roku Ultra streaming devices, as well as some of its older Roku TVs. The impact seems to vary a bit for users, but common complaints include lagging video playback and the inability to stream videos on popular apps like Disney, Netflix, HBO Max, and others. Roku is getting its users back to streaming promptly by rolling back a software update. The company has instructed owners of Roku Ultra models 4660, 4661, 4662, and 4670 to manually check for software updates. Owners of the Roku TV model 7XXX should also check to see if an update is available. Users are able to manually look for the rollback update by opening the Roku OS settings menu, then selecting System Update Check Now. Though any Roku user can roll back their software, the company says that only users who are impacted by this bug should return to the previous software version. Widespread YouTube TV issue. Roku users have reported trouble using YouTube TV, but that particular issue may not be due entirely to the Roku OS update. Around the same time that Roku users began posting complaints about the 10.5 update, YouTube TV subscribers on other platforms said they were having trouble using the platform on a variety of. Some users have reported issues that extend back around a week or so, but it's unclear how long the streaming problem has been impacting YouTube's live streaming television service. Based on reports, it appears that whatever bug is impacting YouTube TV causes the service to repeatedly freeze, making it difficult or impossible to watch shows. The timing is unfortunate for cable cutters, but the YouTube TV problem and Roku's OS update issue don't seem to be related in any way, though if YouTube pushes out an update before Roku, it may still be possible that certain Roku users will have issues watching YouTube TV unless they've rolled back their troubleshooting. If you're a Roku TV user impacted by the 10.5 update, you should attempt to roll back your device to software update 10.0 using the manual update method listed above. If the software update isn't available on your device, you may have success getting it by contacting Roku directly for help, at least based on some reports from users. If you're a YouTube TV user who is unable to use the service on a device other than Roku, your options are far more limited. YouTube hasn't provided an official workaround for this problem, so your best bet is likely to attempt to use the service on a different device. It's unclear how many platforms are impacted by the problem, but it is possible the bug doesn't impact every streaming device you own. Story timeline. Topics. Home entertainment. Roku software updates. Must-read bits.